Hey YouTube, thought I'd show you guys my leg vise setup. The vise is mounted to about 200 pounds of tree carcass. The tree itself was about a 200-year-old pinyon pine that had got eaten by the beetles and died in front of my front yard here behind these scrub oaks. The vise itself is a 5-inch jaw Iron City. It's in really good shape. Here's a stamp. It's real nice and crisp. I cleaned it up with a wire brush on an angle grinder, and I took off more dirt and mud than I did rust. So went pretty good cleaning that up. It's pretty easy. I also mounted this little anvil to this stump here. I believe that's a 20-pound badger. It's a little guy, not very big. So, but that little anvil has some rebound, I'll tell you that. Some really nice grain on this log. I also forged this bracket to hold my twisting wrench. Forged it out of some 5/8 round. The wrench itself, it's a Bemis and Collar railroad wrench, so it has 2 jaws. So I can go on round or square stock with this. I had cobbled this wrench together out of two identical wrenches that were completely useless. Used the parts between them to make this wrench. The handles were gone, the wood handle, so I made a metal one, and I welded this extra handle for being able to twist stuff straight. The vise is mounted with 3/8 by 8-inch long lag bolts. The bottom bracket here is fabricated out of some 3.5-inch by 1/4 angle iron, and the socket that the foot of the vise goes into is a small piece of 1-inch Schedule 40 black iron pipe. Overall, a really nice setup. I'll insert some pictures at the end here so you guys can see how I made this. I did put a coat of oil on this. Oil being a mix of old hydraulic fluid and diesel fuel. Don't worry, this log is far from flammable, but it preserves it quite well. And it didn't cost me anything, because the diesel was old, left over from last winter, and I recently changed the fluid in the tractor's hydraulic system. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.